In this tutorial, we are going to be covering while loops in JavaScript, so let's dive in. So loops in JavaScript are used to execute a certain block of code repeatedly. And in this tutorial series, I'm going to be talking about three main types of loops in JavaScript: the while loop, the do while loop, and the for loop. In this tutorial, we are covering while loops. So while loops are used to execute a certain block of code over and over again as long as a specified condition is true. So now to create a while loop in JavaScript, we have to type the while keyword, and after that round brackets and then curly braces. In these round brackets, we have to put our condition, and in these curly braces, we have to put our code which you want to execute. So as long as this condition is true, this code would be executed. And if this condition is always true, this code would be executed forever. So it would be an infinite loop. And we use while loop over other loops in JavaScript when we don't know that how many times we want to execute a certain block of code. But what if we want to do something a finite number of times using a while loop? So for that, we have to have certain things. So first of all, we have to count the number of times we have to execute a certain block of code. So for that, we have to create a variable counter. So I'm going to be creating a variable I, and then I'm assigning it value of 1. So we are starting our count from 1. And after that, we have to put a condition inside these round brackets to check at what point we have to keep the loop running and at what point we have to terminate or end the loop. So in this case, I will put the condition of is I less than equals to 5. And the code would be, let's say, console.log, and I'm going to be logging the value of I. So I'm going to be using the template string. So now I'm logging the value of I. And after that, we also have to either increment or decrement the counter, because we either have to count backwards or we either have to count forwards, like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So in this case, I'm going to be incrementing the counter. So we will be counting forward. And after that, once this condition is false, we are going to be ending or terminating this loop. We are going to be coming on the next line after that. So let's say I put terminated at the last line. So once this loop is terminated, we are going to be printing terminated. So now if we run the code, we are getting number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5. And after that, we are getting terminated. So let's see what's happening. So on the first cycle of this loop, this condition is true because the value of I is 1 and 1 is less than 5. So we will execute this code, and after that, again, we will check for the condition, and the value of I is 2 because it is incremented, and it is again less than 5. So this condition is true. So we will execute this code, and after executing this code 3 more times, the value of I would be 6, and this condition would be false because 6 is neither less than nor equal to 5. So in this case, we are going to be ending or terminating the loop once this condition is false, and after that, we are going to be printing terminated in the console. So this is how a while loop works in JavaScript basically. And now let's talk about a do while loop. So a do while loop is pretty similar with the while loop. So to create a do while loop in JavaScript, we have to use the do keyword. So we will be writing do, and after that curly braces, and after these curly braces, we have to put the while statement. So in these round brackets, again, I'm going to be putting the condition of I is less than equals to 5. And now let's again log the value of I. And after that, I'm going to be incrementing the counter again. So now if we run the program, you can see the do while loop is giving us the output same as the while loop. So now let's see what is the main difference between a while loop and a do while loop. So now if we make this condition false, and if we now also check the value of I, we will be getting 2 because it is incremented. And there we go, we are getting 2 because when we are working with the while loop, no matter what this condition is, either true or false, always we are going to be executing the code at least once. And after that, now let's see what we'll be getting if we do the same thing with a while loop. So let's copy this. And I'm going to be copying this code as well. And let's uncomment this. So now if we run the program, we are getting terminated and 1 because the value of I is not incremented. So whenever we are working with a while loop, the condition is evaluated first, and if the condition is true, we will move on and execute this code. But in this case, the condition is false, so we are going to be terminating and ending the loop, and we are coming on to the next line after that. So let's get rid of this. So this is how a do while loop works in JavaScript. So that is it for this tutorial. If you enjoyed, leave a like, subscribe for more tutorial like this, and you can also leave your suggestions in the comments down below, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, see ya.